Let's look at another example of an application where you might need to understand the meaning of a unit circle. And again, a unit circle is a circle whose center is at the origin. So again, just a reminder that we are just deliberately letting the R value equal 1 when we discuss anything to do with a unit circle. Okay, in this problem we have the function p of t representing the point on the unit circle that corresponds to the angle t. And the question says if p of t has the given rectangular coordinates, find each of the following, and there are parts A, B, C, and D. The ordered pair for p of t is this guy. Positive 8/17, comma 15/17. So the way this function works is that if t is the angle in standard position, then it's returning the ordered pair p of t. Okay, so standard position means the initial side's vertex is at the origin, lies on the positive x-axis, and this value 8/17, comma 15/17 would put us somewhere in this ballpark. Okay, and so here's our ordered pair. And this is our angle t. Okay, so this is our starting position. Now if I want to measure the angle that is literally t plus pi, and we understand that pi equals 180 degrees, then we want to do half a rotation around from t. That would project us back here. Okay, so if we rotate 180 degrees or pi radians from the standard position of t, okay, and so this would be the angle t plus pi radians, and you can look at the parallels here and the continuation of this line, that this new ordered pair would have to be negative 8/17, comma 15/17. Likewise, if I want to look at the angle t minus pi, I would measure to t, and then I would subtract 180 degrees or pi radians, and you can see that I land in the same standard position. So these two guys, the point associated with t plus pi, and actually those are both negative, would be negative 8/17, negative 15/17. This actually lands on the same terminal side for t minus pi. Okay, and if we're going to measure the angle negative t, then I would measure t units in this direction. Negative t being measured clockwise. Okay, and the ordered pair here would be 8/17, comma negative 15/17. And I should note before I get too far away from this that yes, this angle's net measure is t radians, vertical angles are equal, and that's how I know which symmetry I have here. Now, if I measure the angle negative t minus pi, then I've already measured to negative t, and I'm going to rotate another 180 degrees all the way around, which would place my terminal side here. So negative t, and then I'm going to keep going negatively and subtract pi. Then this would mean that my ordered pair is negative 8/17, comma, positive 15/17, which would mean that that's what I put in the box here with the comma in between. The ordered pair is the answer. And we're done. So we're measuring everything from T standard position rotating around the circle.